Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. As begin, please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. It is below. In a container, place warm water, add yeast, sugar, and stir. Cover the container, put it in a warm place for 5 to 7 minutes. In a bowl, sift in flour, add the rest of the sugar, salt, and mix. Apologies, I've lost footage where I add the yeast to the bowl. Here I wish I had made my dough wet so that I could stir it instead of kneading it. So in the description box, I'll put details for making the dough wet so that you can only stir with a spoon. Once the dough comes together, drizzle it with olive oil, cover it, and proof it for 1 hour or until it doubles. On medium to high heat, fry sliced onion until it is brown. Add thyme leaves, stir. The frying will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Do not stir regularly. And another tip, to brown the onion fast, add a teaspoon of sugar, any sugar that you have. Once the onion browns, add balsamic vinegar. Stir, allow the vinegar to thicken. Add just a little bit of salt and mix. Cool it entirely. Now going back to our dough, knead it just for a minute or two. And spread the dough until it fills the baking pan. Do not forget to grease the pan with olive oil before putting the dough, as I did. Stretch the dough to fill the baking pan. If you notice, the dough is easy to stretch when it's oiled. Then rest it for 15 minutes covered. Let's make the toppings. Cut cocktail tomatoes into halves, put them in a bowl, add basil, oregano, add chopped garlic, rosemary, olive oil, and white wine vinegar. Stir. And set aside. Back to the dough. Press the dough with your fingers, dipping them into water or oil in between the pressing. Fill those holes you've made with the filling, the tomato filling that you've made. Don't forget the caramelized onion and olives. It's a beautiful canvas that you're making. Drizzle the liquid from the filling. Don't be scared that your dough is going to get wet. It's supposed to be wet. To top the dough up, drizzle just a tablespoon of olive oil and rest the dough again for about 15 to 20 minutes whilst you preheat the oven. Bake for 14 minutes, 1-4. There you go. Now, let's make the lamb roast. Enjoy. Now let's make chocolate mousse, the easiest ever. 2 ingredients. Cut an orange or 2 into half. Squeeze the juice into a container. You may add icing sugar if you want. Choc, the cooking chocolate of choice, any of your choice. reason we are chopping it so that it is easy and fast to melt. We will melt the chocolate using a method called bain-marie. Put the chocolate in a bowl, a non-heat sensitive bowl. Put the bowl on top of a pan with cold water on medium heat. Your bowl should not touch the water under. Once the water boils rapidly, remove the heat and continue stirring. Once there are few blocks of chocolate left unmelted, remove the bowl from the pan and stir until the chocolate is smooth. Once the chocolate is melted, all of it, remove the bowl from the pan and put it on top of a cloth. Strain in the juice, the orange juice, and stir until all ingredients come together. Cool the chocolate a little bit and pour it into serving glasses. Refrigerate for 3 hours or until set. This depends on the strength of your refrigerator. It is best to start by preparing your dessert before your main because they need to set. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.